I may have failed being a good husband. Kasi, but gusto ko lang na I cannot fail on two points. I have to be a good father, and I think somehow I have succeeded. Hindi lang masyado, not really successful, but we have our ups and downs, and the idiosyncrasies of, alam mo, they are separate entity yung pagmalaki na. Hindi na maniwala, may sarili silang pangisip. You have to adjust and adjust and adjust. But in the eyes of a father, a daughter or a son, whatever the age, would always be a child. So, baski ano katanda na yung mga anak ko, in the eyes, so, in my eyes, they would still be small children, which I have to take care. Magay ng ibang society na pagka 18 bitawan, hindi may dito sa Pilipinas. And I said, I've repeated this statement over and over again. I love my children more than life itself. Ano mang dyan, minsan, gano'n na lang ang travails ng tatay talaga.